Okay folks, back again with another update on my Johnny 5 large build that I've been working on for a few months now. This time I'm actually trying to design a gear set for the track assembly that is going to work and be able to move this heavy thing. Originally I was planning on using this motor, and it's okay, but it doesn't have the torque that I need to be able to move this thing once I put it out in the yard and stuff to play with it. And I say that with a smile on my face. Right now this is the motor that I decided to go with. It's a large motor. It's a 3000 RPM motor, DC 12 motor, and it's pretty big. This is the first mock-up of the design that I did for the cog assembly. I've been trying to fit different cogs in different sizes, trying to get the height just right. I've even put a bearing on the bottom of the sprocket so that the motor doesn't have to work so hard to spin the thing. It's going to glide on there like a 747 on a wet runway. So it's going to move. So right here I got the other side, the left hand side of the track. This one is the finished cog assembly that I designed. Made some modifications to the original design. And what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to see how fast this thing is going to spin. So this is my first test and try. I'm testing this motor for the first time, and you guys get to see it firsthand. Just going to see. Wow, that thing is fast. I don't think this motor is going to have any problems moving those gears to do its job. Let me see something, see if I can give you a different view. Turn this thing on permanently, and look at that. That's nuts. I know, I'm crazy. Anyways, all jokes aside, I think this is going to work. My next problems to solve is getting the right size cog for here that is going to meet up with these teeth, and then designing the next one that's going to move the rest of the track assembly and hopefully make it all work as one part. So we'll see how it goes. This is a work in progress. You don't know how it's going to work until you actually build it, try it, test it, and try to design something that's going to work. So I think I'm on the right track, and hopefully the next time I show you this thing, it's going to be a complete cog gear system for the track assembly. Later.